Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a goodie for you. I was contacted by BeeBeeCrafts and asked if I wanted to be sent some beads and do some videos and be part of their program. So I of course said yes. Once I went on their website and I checked out some of their stuff, I'm pretty sure I got all gemstones. So and if you are a YouTuber and you have a jewelry channel, if you have over 100 followers, you can contact them and be part of the program, and they will send you free beads, and you make jewelry for them, and you send them the links, and then they send you more beads. So how can you not want to do that? So I also have a coupon code. I will leave everything below. It's BN Jewelry 10, capital B, capital N, capital J. And it's 10% off your whole order. And I think if it's more than $30, you get free shipping. I have to check on that for anything. So, and I will leave links to this stuff below. So if you want to go and check them out, check out the stuff, then you can. And I will also leave a link to BeeBeeCrafts below too, with my link at the end, so they'll know that I sent you there. And so that just kind of helps my channel, and it helps me to bring you more videos like this. So let's start out. This package is so heavy, I can't even tell you. Look at this. So yes, they gave me a sheet. Now I opted for, I think these are all gemstones. Look at these huge bags, just filled. Oh my gosh, like you just can't even believe. Look at these. I'm so excited to do this unboxing. And these are off the charts right here. These are the rondelles. Look at these. Wait till I take these out of this package and show you guys this. You're just gonna freak. So let me get everything organized and I'll be right back. Okay, so to start with this beautiful, I have so many beads, I can't even get over it. It's like, okay, I'm putting these together. Look at these strands. Look at how beautiful they are. Okay. Now, they weren't labeled what they were. What it was you go on their website and it says it could be this, this, or this. So far I know this is sodalite. I'm pretty sure. Because that's, you know, like when I bought it before, it has those kind of marks in it. Oh, I don't have my ruler in here. But these are, I think they're 15.5-inch strands. So all of these right here were $7.49. And I mean, look at these strands. I mean, $7.49 for all of these beads. And this is Grain Aventurine. I know that. I can't wait to work with these. I have some really cool ideas. This is rose quartz. I know that. Absolutely beautiful. The yellow, I'm not sure. I tried looking up, not really sure. Then I have these yellow, I mean the white ones. This could be white jade. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure what these are, but I know they're all gemstones. And then I have these. Look at these beauties right here. Look how pretty they are. Gorgeous. And then I have these. I think these are jasper maybe. Because what I did was I kind of bought bulks of beads. So it was like just natural, they're natural gemstone bead strands, dyed mixed stone, round 4 to 12 millimeter. So there's about 64 pieces a strand, it says, for most of them. I have this. This is so beautiful. This right here, wow. Look at that. Look at all of the striations in it. Look at how pretty that one is right there. Like, just absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that. Just, like, absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to start. What I have to do for them is they sent me all these beads, and then I do an unboxing, and then I do 2 tutorials for them for the month. So I have these right here. Let me get the second one. Look at these. Look how pretty these are. These are natural ocean white jade bead strands. They were spray painted. Rondell dark turquoise. 8 to 8.5 millimeter. And this very long strand was $3.29. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, oh. With summer coming up, you know, you just can't go wrong. So I have this. Let me put this away. I have these bags are so big that it's like I have to pause in between. And this one is number 3, if I can get the top open. And this is natural gemstone bead strands dyed mixed stone round, 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter, 15-inch strands. It's like 66 pieces on each strand. So yeah, so they're all connected right here. And they're just, this was $5.69. How pretty are these? Look at these. I mean, like, look at that one right there. That looks almost like carnelian right there. That could be. So these are just all different mixtures of gemstones. I mean, look at how long these strands are. So $5.69. That is not a bad deal. I will tell you that. Okay. And this next one, it's really number 4 is BeeBeeCraft natural gemstone bead strands mixed stone round 8 millimeters. So let me see. So I think it was, I'm trying to think now. This is Amazonite. Let me see right here. I have some, I'm not really sure. I know these are rose quartz, of course. I got 2 nice long strands of these, and I think these are rose quartz too. But because they're pink, but they have more of the striations in this strand right here. Then, oh, look at these. These are, look at the, I don't know if the camera can show you these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Just look at this mixture of colors in here. Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas time. These are absolutely beautiful. And then these, oh, I'm trying to think. These are Amazonite. I can't remember. One was Green Adventuring. That could be this, but I'm not really sure because they don't have the listing. It just says gemstones. But they're absolutely gorgeous. And then we have this right here. These are absolutely beautiful too. I mean, look at these strands. Look how long these are. Absolutely gorgeous. I would say out of the regular beads, wait till you see the next ones, the rondelles. But these, I think, are my favorite out of the beads. These are just, and the thing is it's sad because you can't really, I don't think you can see all of the dimension in these. These could be a topaz jade. I'm trying to think. I think that's what they were called. But anyway, now these are absolutely stunning. Oh, and this whole thing here was $10.13. These are Honey Handy Natural Malaysia Jade Bead Strands Rondelle Dyed Faceted Mixed Color. Look, look at these. Oh my gosh. Just look at these. These are stunning. This was $10.62. So this was literally like $2 for this really long strand. They're just absolutely, oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to work with. I'm definitely going to be getting more of these now that I have seen these. These are stunning. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing from BeeBeeCraft. And like I said, I will leave all the links below to everything. And I will leave their link below to their main website as well. So you can either go right to the link for these, or you can go to their website and look at everything yourself. And use the code BNJewelry10. I will leave the link below to that too. If you decide to order anything, it helps out my channel. And it keeps me motivated to keep creating these videos and receiving all of these wonderful beads. This is like heaven to me. And I'm sure most of you watching this channel get the same high that I do. So, and my social media links are below. So if you want to follow me on anything there, you can. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care and have a great day.